Veganism is a lifestyle and dietary choice that avoids the use of animal products and byproducts. This includes not consuming meat, dairy, eggs, and honey, as well as avoiding products like leather, fur, and cosmetics tested on animals. People choose veganism for various reasons. Some opt for it due to concerns for animal rights, while others do so for environmental reasons or health benefits. A vegan diet can lower the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. While both vegans and vegetarians do not consume meat, the primary difference lies in the consumption of animal byproducts. Vegans do not consume any animal byproducts such as dairy or eggs, whereas vegetarians may. Absolutely. There are plenty of plant-based protein sources available, such as lentils, chickpeas, tofu, seitan, and a variety of nuts and seeds. Many plant-based milks and cereals are also fortified with additional protein. Vegans, like anyone else, need to ensure they are getting a balanced diet. Vitamin B12 is one nutrient that is typically obtained from animal products, so vegans often opt to take B12 supplements or consume B12 fortified foods. Vegan food doesn't have to be expensive. Staple foods such as grains, beans, fruits, and vegetables are often inexpensive and nutritious. While some specialty vegan products can be pricier, they're not essential to a vegan diet. Vegans can eat a wide variety of foods: fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, beans, and legumes. There's also an increasing range of vegan alternatives for traditionally non-vegan foods, like vegan cheeses, ice creams, and plant-based meats. While this can depend on location, the increasing popularity of veganism means more and more restaurants offer vegan options. Many cuisines like Indian, Thai, and Middle Eastern are naturally plant-based or easily adaptable to a vegan diet. Yes, with proper planning and understanding of nutritional needs, kids can thrive on a vegan diet. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian to ensure children are getting a balanced diet. Absolutely. Every meal without animal products makes a difference. Some people opt for a flexitarian approach, incorporating more plant-based meals into their diets without fully committing to veganism. Veganism is a compassionate lifestyle choice with numerous benefits for your health, the environment, and animals. If you're considering adopting a vegan lifestyle, it's a journey, not a destination. Every small step counts, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Get your copy of 5-Minute Vegan Recipes by clicking the link in the description now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our video.